In this video, I'll show you how to access Google AI Studios. Welcome back to a new tutorial video, everyone. If you're trying to use the platform of Google AI Studios and want to know how you can access it, let me show you how it's done. You just need to open up a web browser and you don't need to even create an account. As long as you have a Google account, you can easily access it. Search for Google AI Studios and open up the first website. As soon as you click on the first link, you'll be straight away taken to this section. This is accessed by your Google account. So if you're using a Google Chrome web browser, you don't need to even log in. But however, if you're using a different browser other than Google Chrome, such as Microsoft Edge, you'll need to log into your Google account. Once you do that, you'll have access to Google AI Studios. Now on the top right of the screen, you'll have different models that you can select from, such as Gemini 2.5 Pro or Gemini Flash. So you can switch between these models, and you can also take a look at the total tokens or the outputs that you're gonna get. You can use Google AI Studios not only as a chatbot, but to generate images or build applications. So that was the video about the way that you access Google AI Studios. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next one.